Sticker?
Sticker.
Say sticker.
Sticker.
Where are you going to put that one?
Good.
Right there? Okay.
Ah.
Good job. More? Sticker? Can you say sticker?
Sticker. Ah. Ah.
What are you going to do now? More? Sticker?
Sticker.
Where are you going to put it? Oh, there. Sticker?
Sticker.
Show Mama, where are you going to put it? Where? You going to put it here?
Yeah.
You going to put it here? You going to put it here? Where?
Yeah.
There.
Ah.
Pat it down. Good job. Sienna, this is your last sticker. We've used all the stickers. Where are you going to put it?
There.
There?
Yeah.
We used them all. Look. They're all gone. There's no more. All done. Can you color on your stickers with marker? You can do it. Open. Oh, good job. What color next? Yellow.
Yellow.
Good job. What color next?
Blue.
It is blue. You're very strong. What color next? All right, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.